I brush my teeth every morning. I brushed my teeth this morning. He goes to the gym after work. He went to the gym after work yesterday. We usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. We ate lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. She studies English every evening. She studied English last night. They take the bus to school. They took the bus to school. I read books in my free time. I read a book last weekend. He listens to music while working. He listened to music while working yesterday. We play football on Saturdays. We played football last Saturday. She cleans the house every Friday. She cleaned the house last Friday. I watch TV in the evenings. I watched TV last night. He travels to new places every summer. He traveled to a new place last summer. They visit their grandparents on Sundays. They visited their grandparents last Sunday. I take photos during my vacations. I took photos during my vacation last year. She swims in the pool every weekend. She swam in the pool last weekend. We go hiking in the mountains. We went hiking in the mountains last month. He writes stories for fun. He wrote a story last week. I play the guitar in the evenings. I played the guitar yesterday evening. They enjoy watching movies at the cinema. They enjoyed watching a movie at the cinema. She paints pictures in her free time. She painted a picture yesterday. We visit museums when we travel. We visited a museum last vacation. I work from home on Mondays. I worked from home last Monday. He teaches math at school. He taught math at school last year. They attend meetings every week. They attended a meeting last week. She answers emails in the morning. She answered emails this morning. We prepare reports every month. We prepared a report last month. I study for exams every night. I studied for my exam last night. They learn new skills at work. They learned a new skill last week. She helps her classmates with homework. She helped her classmates yesterday. We submit assignments on time. We submitted our assignment last week. He finishes his tasks quickly. He finished his tasks quickly yesterday. I cook dinner every night. I cooked dinner last night. She eats a healthy breakfast every day. She ate a healthy breakfast this morning. They drink tea after lunch. They drank tea after lunch yesterday. He orders pizza on Fridays. He ordered pizza last Friday. I bake cakes for special occasions. I baked a cake for a special occasion. I baked a cake for a special occasion. We enjoyed trying a new restaurant last night. She prepares sandwiches for lunch. She prepared sandwiches yesterday. I like spicy food. I liked spicy food when I was younger. They serve dinner at 7 p.m. He bought groceries last Saturday. He buys groceries every Saturday. They served dinner at 7 p.m. yesterday. I walk my dog every evening. I walked my dog last evening. She drives to work every day. She drove to work yesterday. We clean the garden every weekend. We cleaned the garden last weekend. He calls his parents on Sundays. He called his parents last Sunday. I exercise for 30 minutes daily. I exercised for 30 minutes yesterday. They played video games after school yesterday. They play video games after school. She enjoys reading novels. She enjoyed reading a novel last week. We visit friends on the weekends. We visited friends last weekend. He waters the plants in the morning. He watered the plants this morning. I love spending time outdoors. I loved spending time outdoors when I was a child.